Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel Mindfulness with Pratibha. There are times in our lives when we come across that sometimes we are not unseen, we are not unheard, we are not valued, and we are not respected also. So when this happens, we feel lot of frustrated, we feel lot of anger, we don't feel worthy about ourselves. So, for example, a mother does lot of things for her family, for the children, for husband, for keeping everything, like for the food that she makes, for the hygiene that she maintains. But the family members do not appreciate her, and many a times it is ignored what efforts she puts on in the family. And then the woman of the family, the mother of the whole family, is like she feels disrespected, undervalued. And also it happens in some relationship, whether it's a man or a woman. So if one person loves the other person very much and the other person does not value, ignores, or makes fun of it, the person who is not getting respect or being ignored feels frustrated, feel anger, and lot of negativity happens in the relationship. And same with at the workplace, when an employee is not appreciated by the boss, not giving appreciation in monetary terms, or even verbally not appreciated among all the employees, then the employee gets frustrated from the boss or the employer, and feels that when he will get respect, or how he will gain that respect strength among these all those employees with him, the colleagues with him, isn't it? So respect is one thing that you have to give it to yourself first, and then everyone notices that you are so important, you are giving yourself respect, and the others will respect you in the same way. So if you're going through this, that you are not respected, undervalued, unseen, then this video is for you, because you are going to release all the negativity things that is happening in your life and start respecting yourself, start feeling that importance, giving yourself importance, and respect yourself first. So by doing Ho'oponopono. So let's get started. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath, and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the respect that I'm getting or not getting in my life. I'm sorry, universe, for all the negative thoughts that I'm developing and not feeling loved or feeling disrespected within me. I'm sorry, dear universe, for all the inner beliefs, the inner negative thoughts that I'm creating about myself and not feeling respected, not feeling valued. I'm sorry, universe. I'm sorry, universe, that I am the person who is not respecting myself first at times or all times, and then I blame to others that why they are not giving respect to me. Please forgive me, dear universe, for holding on this pain, this resentment within me, for all the disrespect in my life. Please forgive me for not allowing myself to respect first and wanting respect from others. So please forgive me. Please forgive me for allowing me to feel sad, be low in energy, and always criticizing me, undervaluing me first, and then complaining about others that they are not respecting me, or why am I not seen by others. Thank you, universe, for all the guidance that you're showing me to grow. And thank you, universe, for giving me the strength, allowing me to be a stronger person, a confident person. Thank you, dear universe, for telling me that I should be giving respect to myself first, giving that importance to myself first, and people around me will surely respect me and give lot of importance also. So thank you, universe, for all the growth that you're telling me to grow, telling me to give. You're giving me all the strength all the guidance, all the inner peace, all the love and harmony that is created within me now. I love myself. I love first myself. I'll give respect to myself, and I will show that others will also respect me the way I respect myself. So I will give importance to myself. I love my inner child. I love the strength that is building up right now, the confidence that is the universe is giving me. So thank you, dear universe, for showing me that I need to heal. I need to give respect to myself. I need to grow. I need to build up that strength in me. And everything will just be amazing. So thank you, universe, for guiding me, for bringing that love, harmony, peace, respect within me now. And I release all the negative aspects of my life, negativity from within me, the ignorance that I'm ignoring myself, the disrespect that I've created for me. I'll just release it right now and welcome all the respect, love, peace for me, for myself, and from others. So thank you, dear universe, for giving me the strength, guidance, and so much of good light that is flowing inside me, healing me, and I feel full of respect, full of confidence, full of strength. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath and release all that is coming to your mind about yourself, about being unworthy, not seen, not respected, because you are the one who should be creating respect, valuing yourself, giving importance to yourself first, building up that strength. And see, when you change yourself, everybody around you will notice that how she or he should be treated with respect, with honor, with all that love that you require. So change yourself, give respect, and see the world changing for you. Hope this video makes sense. And if you are feeling disrespected at times, come to this video, do this healing session, feel better, get confident, and face the world confidently with respect. So thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you need more good topics or more things that needs to be healed in your life, you're welcome to join my WhatsApp community, where I take lots of healing sessions regularly that will clear all the negativity from your life, and you start attracting abundance, prosperity, confidence, and beautiful health, relationship, career, and money. And if you're ready for the timings and money, then definitely you should join and see the difference that you will transform your life when you do these sessions with me regularly. So I hope this makes sense, and those who are ready with all the things, they can join me and start healing, start this practice with me. So thank you once again. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.